Hello students, I am once again present here with a new video. In this video we will discuss difference between money bill and ordinary bill. So let's start now. Power and functions of the legislature. Making laws. The most important function of the legislature is to make law. Until a proposal is passed by the both houses of the parliament and receives the consent of the president, it is called a bill. After it is passed, it is called an act and become a law. Next point is money bill. A bill which deals with the income and expenditure of the government is called a money bill. Article 110 of the Indian Constitution deals with the definition of money bill. A money bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. It can be introduced in the Lok Sabha only by a minister. It can be introduced only of the recommendation of the president. It can be delayed the Rajya Sabha for the maximum period of the time 14 days only. It cannot be amended or rejected by the Rajya Sabha. The Rajya Sabha should return the bill without recommendations which may be rejected or accepted by the Lok Sabha. It is sent for approval of the President even it is approved by the Lok Sabha only. There is no provision for joint sitting of the houses in this regard. It can be rejected or accepted but cannot be returned for recommendation by the President because earlier permission is taken from him. Next point is ordinary bill. An ordinary bill can be introduced in any of the houses of the parliament. The ordinary bill can be introduced by either of the minister of the government or any private members of the house. If the bill is passed by simple majority, it is sent to the other house. When the bill is passed by the other house, it is sent to the president for his assent. If there is a disagreement between the two houses on the bill, the president may call or a joint sitting which is presided over the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Recommendation of president is not required. Rajya Sabha can delay it for a maximum of the 6 months. It can be amended or rejected by the Rajya Sabha. It can be rejected, accepted or returned for the reconsideration by the President. Thank you class.